YouTube, just showing you my Airsoft dog. I think she's sleeping. Oh, she's sleeping. Hey, puppy, puppy, puppy. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Yeah, this is my little Airsoft dog. Can't believe I use her in wars. Now, apparently you've seen my, sorry for the voice thing. Apparently you've seen my other videos where this works okay. Now, the only reason of that is because I shot myself too close. I shot myself right there. But I was pressing against it too hard and pow. Hurt like effing hell. So yeah, this is my Airsoft dog. This little Westie, insanely tough. And this might be a little mean, but her tail is connected to her spine, so, and right now she has her harness on, so you can do this with her. It really won't hurt her. Okay, puppy. So, alright. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you there. Like I said, my voice is fuzzy. I've said that in practically every video, except for my first one. And please do not do bad comments, because that really screws everything up. And, I'll have to delete them. So, alright. Thank you. Please watch. What the hell is going on? Something's going on. Something's going on with that cam. Alright, sorry.